Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Crenova 20 megapixel 1080p HD wildlife hunting trail camera. Included 32GB SD card and 47 pieces of 940 nanometers IR LEDs. And it is IP66 waterproof. Oh yeah. This camera can catch motion, activated night vision automatically. It is perfect for wildlife observations, of course. 20 megapixel pictures, 1080p HD videos recording every moment of vivid wildlife and spectacular nature with rich details. It has a great night vision performance. Thanks to the superior 36 pieces of 940 nanometers IR LEDs and automatic IR filter, the hunting camera does an excellent job when shooting at night, creating clear and sharp pictures and videos to satisfy all our needs. 120 degrees wide area detection, as you can see, 0.2 seconds. Lightning trigger speed. The scouting camera features 3 innovation sensors offering 120 degrees detection angle and up to 65 feet effect leaf detected range. 0.2 seconds trigger time brings us the best experience without missing any detected action of the animals. And IP66 waterproof design, and it is multifunction. That means it is waterproof, sturdy case, and a longer service life. We have to install 8 AA batteries or 4 AA batteries, but this will not get all the life longer time. That means it is better to put 8 AA batteries into it. It makes the camera stand out from touch working environment. It is a nice cam. It looks really cool. It has a good trigger time, 1080 HD quality, IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor and indoor. 120 degrees wide PRR angle, and included is 32GB SD card. You have an automatic night vision. You have 3 PRR, 47 pieces of LED is built in that camera, and the 20 megapixel create high resolution spectacular photos. The high performance with the night vision is really nice. I think it's really nice. It makes a good pictures, good videos out there. You can see in this video. I like them really much. You have easy setup. Inside you have an LCD screen. You have a battery compartment on the back side. You have the memory card slot, USB connection, a mode switch, and this is all what you need. You have default settings and format the SD card, then set the tray camera to mode camera and video, sequence 3 pictures, date and time, job's done. Turn it on from the test side. Then the front light flash 15 seconds and the tray camera starts working. This is really awesome, and it's easy to handle, easy to program. And after this, you are ready for action outdoor and indoor here. So let's open this case. No, not open, close its case, and then we have to look what it's inside the box. You can see now USB cable is included. You can see here you can connect it on the downside of the device, and this is all what you need. And of course there is a stand. This stand will get us a hub for getting it on the way. And you have here a leash. This leash you can use to attach it to a tree, for example, or to another locations, to wrap it around there and then fix it. And here you can see how to get this loop in function, you have to go one side in, then wrap it around, and wrap another round, then you have it. Here we are. Now we can get it around a tree or some other things. Here we have the stand. The stand works really easy. It clamps the device through the bolt at the center of the device stand unit, and you can attach it to the cam easily, really easy. And then you can make some angles with it to rotate it and lock it easily. And the bottom side you can attach to a timber or to a wall or to another areas with some screws. This is the second option to attach this cam easily, really easy. And that it is. Now we're going to get the batteries inside. So you have to think about, if you are going to use 4 batteries, there's no long energy. The energy is okay to work. But if you are going to a longer experience, you will need 8 of them. But you can perform this device with only 4 batteries. AA batteries has a plus and a minus pole, and this you can lay to the spring the minus pole, and the plus pole is on the opposite side. Job's done. Everything is equipped. Now we are ready to get a setup and make some awesome photos. The item weight is 531 grams. The dimensions are 10 to 8 to 12 centimeters approximately. And the fixed focal length is 14 millimeters. The part number is RD1000. And you have 5 megapixels. This is really enough. And you can start the device easily. Only switch to the task position on the left side, and then you can program something. So let's start this. We are going to open the case. There is the latch on the right side. Oh yeah. And now it's time to get inside the device. On the device inside you can see menu, replay, a picture, cam, right, left, up, down, arrow, off, test, on button on the bottom side. Now we switch to test. This is the setup to program it. You can see short, OK button, etc. Now we are on the device. If you push menu, you can make a setup with it to go to the different locations. You can go up, right, and left, and up, etc. To go inside this setup, use the OK. If you are in mode, you can choose photo, video, and photo and video. Photo resolution, you can choose here from 20 megapixel down to 5 megapixel. I'm choosing 20 megapixel. These are 5200 to 3900 pixel itself. You can now choose a photo series. 1 photo only shot, 2 or 3 in series. I think 3 is better because if 1 is not so good, you have to left. Video solution, if the cam will make videos, you have to choose the right resolution of it. TL video. Here is the same. You can choose between 2 options and select them by OK. Video length. Each movement which is going to detect will make a video. But you can choose here how long should the video be. It's not good to make 30 minutes videos, only 5, so on. And next step is audio recording on or off. Shot lag, if you have 1 movement detected and for example the pad is going out or it stays a little bit longer there, Then you can have a setup here to ignore it a little bit. This is a shoot lag. Eye air, sensor, near, middle, far. If you have cold weather or sunny weather or night vision, etc., you can choose there wisely. Then the side motion sensors on or off. If you're off, then it's only the center. And here is how the motion sensor is the sensitivity. Next step, you can choose on or off. Easy, yeah? Target recording time. Start and stop. If you choose start, the cam will start automatically at the setup time. And the same is stop. Then it goes off. This is for if you're going to install this cam a little bit longer outside, it's better to make some target recording times. Time lapse, TL video, off or normal. You can choose. The time lapse thing you can choose the time lapse time. Of course, then you have to notify the motion sensor will be deactivated with this. But this is awesome to make really good time shared videos or time lapse. Of course, here you can choose the language, etc. English, German, and all others. Endless capture. That means the device will run until the end. You can set the time and format, and of course here the data's format. It's really important to enter the right month, year, and date, and time, of course. For this time the cam will operate. Photo stamp is awesome. Time and date you can stamp there, only the date, or you make it off for only the screen capturing. Passport, this is good if you're given this cam out in the forest, etc. No one can enter here. And here you can switch on or off the beep sounds, and here to delete the memory card. Let's format them. Serial number, if you have some of this kind of cams, you can make a serial number here, and this is reset to factory reset. The version, this is the version of the device itself. Good job, that it is. So if you perform the program you are chosen, then you have to swipe the lever to right side. Then a countdown is counting down, and the program will be continued after 15 seconds. Yeah, this is really awesome device. It's not so expensive. You can choose and use it in for good pictures, as you can see here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.